Comparing the juvenile justice system of the Philippines and United States of America. These are the similarities of the juvenile justice of the Philippines and the United States of America.
Focus on rehabilitation. Both systems prioritize the rehabilitation and reintegration of children in conflict with the law, or CICL, into society. They emphasize diversionary programs, counseling, education, and vocational training as alternatives to incarceration. Best interests of the child. Both systems recognize the paramount importance of protecting the best interests of the child. This principle guides decision-making in all stages of the juvenile justice process, from initial contact with the child to the final disposition of the case. International standards. Both countries adhere to international standards of child protection, such as the United Nations Convention on the Rights of the Child, or UNCRC. These standards emphasize the rights of children, including the right to be treated with dignity and respect, the right to access legal assistance, and the right to be separated from adult offenders.
Differences of the juvenile justice system of the Philippines and the United States of America.
Age of criminal responsibility. The Philippines has a higher minimum age of criminal responsibility, or MACR, at 15 years old. This means that children below 15 are exempt from criminal liability and instead subjected to intervention programs. The United States, on the other hand, has a lower MACR, which varies by state but generally falls between 10 and 17 years old. Criminal versus civil liability. In the Philippines, children below 15 are exempted from criminal liability but remain liable for civil damages. This means that they can be held responsible for the harm they cause to others but not for the criminal offense itself. The United States generally holds juveniles criminally responsible for their actions, even those below the MACR, though the legal process and consequences differ from those for adults. Juvenile court system. The Philippines has a family court system that handle cases involving CICL. These courts are specifically designed to address the unique needs of children and to ensure that their rights are protected. In the United States, juvenile court systems are established at the state level with varying structures and procedures. Focus on restorative justice. The Philippines emphasizes restorative justice principles and its juvenile justice system. This approach seeks to repair the harm caused by the offense and to promote reconciliation between the victim, the offender, and the community. The United States, while increasingly incorporating restorative justice elements, still largely relies on a more adversarial justice system.
Conclusion.
The juvenile justice systems of the Philippines and the United States share a common goal of protecting children and promoting their rehabilitation. However, they differ significantly in their legal frameworks, particularly in the age of criminal responsibility and the emphasis of restorative justice. These differences reflect the unique cultural and social context of each country.